Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And in the month of December, a lot of people tend to travel a lot, especially in Western countries because of Christmas and New Year's. 其实在台湾也是啦，虽然不是那么常过圣诞节，但12月份好像很多人都喜欢旅游啊，对不对？旅行。你多久没有去旅游了？
好久了，
好久，对不对？ Well, a lot of people are looking forward to travel during this time of the year. So let's teach you terms associated with traveling and things you would do when you go travel. Okay? First off, 旅行嘛，就是 travel.
离航，
离航哦，一个理想那种感觉。离航
要去航，是不是？
对，没有，有些人旅行只是一个理想而已，永远达不到，都在工作。
对，
离航 that's how you say traveling. It sounds like an ideal, a goal, all right? 这个旅行的时候，通常呢要订饭店，
对，
饭店是很重要的一环。
对啊，不然我没地方住啊。
那比机票还要重要。当然机票很重要，要飞到那边。可是饭店可以让你到那个地方，感受接下来几天旅游的一个主轴之一。
放轻松。
Exactly. A hotel is a very important part of your trip. So how do you say hotel? 饭店。
饭店。
饭店哦 that's a hotel.
那海陆腔饭店，饭店。
饭店 that's a different dialect for hotel.Oh, you know what? The worst part of traveling, of course, is carrying your luggage. 这个旅行的时候行李很重，很讨厌了。可是呢，相对的，有时候回国是满载而归。
带空的去，满满的回来。
开心的嘞。所以看怎么样？
钱花得很开心嘞。
The luggage can be a hassle, can be baggage, but at the same time, maybe you're buying a lot of stuff and bringing it back home, and it's an exciting thing. How do you say luggage? 行李。
行李。
行李。那就是旅行离航的倒过来，
有一点点像，但是不一样啊。刚刚我们讲的是离航，现在是行李。
Okay, it sounds like the reverse to travel, different tone, but it means luggage. 行李。Okay, let's make a sentence. I want to travel abroad. 我想出国旅行。
我想出国离航。
我想出国离航，就是我想出国旅行。All right, let's review all these terms. 旅行 that's traveling. 离航 and then the hotel 饭店 and finally your luggage 行李 行李 There you have it. Wherever you're going, have a safe trip and thank you for listening to Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.